Let's cut to the chase. Sexual attraction is a mysterious force, but it's not entirely out of your control. If you've ever wondered what makes a woman desire you on a deeper, more intimate level, you're about to find out. This isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about embodying traits that naturally ignite her attraction. Stick with me, and I'll break it all down for you. Welcome back to Inner Wellness TV, where we uncover the truths that help you improve your relationships, mindset, and life. Today, we're diving into how you can spark a woman's sexual desire by doing just a few key things. Let's get started. 1. Understanding sexual desire in women. First things first, let's talk about how sexual desire works for women. Unlike men, for whom physical attraction might play a dominant role, women's desire is often connected to emotions, energy, and how a man makes them feel. Here's the key. Women are drawn to men who make them feel safe, confident, and stimulated mentally, emotionally, and physically. It's not just about looks. It's about how you carry yourself and how you interact with her. 2. The power of confidence. The first thing that triggers a woman's desire is confidence. But let's get one thing straight. Confidence doesn't mean arrogance. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and projecting an energy that says, I know who I am, and I'm not afraid to show it. Confidence is sexy because it's rare. When you approach a woman without hesitation, maintain good posture, and speak with conviction, she'll pick up on your energy, and that energy is magnetic. 3. Emotional connection is key. Here's something a lot of men overlook. Sexual desire isn't just physical, it's deeply emotional for women. If you want her to desire you, you need to connect with her emotionally first. Ask her questions about herself. Show genuine interest in what she has to say. Make her feel seen and understood. When a woman feels emotionally connected, she's far more likely to feel physically attracted. 4. Physical presence matters. Now, let's talk about the physical. While looks aren't everything, taking care of yourself physically sends a strong signal to women. It shows that you respect yourself, and that respect is contagious. Work on your fitness, groom yourself, and dress in a way that reflects your personality. And don't underestimate the power of body language. Stand tall, maintain open gestures, and use subtle, confident touches when the moment is right. 5. The importance of mystery and challenge. Here's a pro tip. Women are naturally drawn to mystery and challenge. If you're too available or too predictable, the excitement fades. But if you keep her guessing just a little, you'll spark her curiosity, and curiosity leads to attraction. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Let her discover you layer by layer. And remember, being a challenge doesn't mean playing games. It means having your own life and not revolving everything around her. 6. Touch and sensuality. Touch is a powerful tool for building desire, but it has to be done the right way. Start subtle, a light touch on her arm, a brush of your hand as you talk. Pay attention to how she responds, and let things progress naturally. The key is to be mindful and respectful. If she's comfortable, your touch will communicate confidence and closeness, amplifying her attraction to you. 7. Humor and playfulness. Never underestimate the power of humor. Making her laugh isn't just about being funny. It's about creating a connection that feels light and enjoyable. Be playful, tease her gently, and don't take yourself too seriously. When a woman feels good around you, she'll naturally associate those feelings with desire. 8. The secret ingredient, authenticity. The final and most important element, authenticity. Women can sense when you're being fake or trying too hard. What truly makes you irresistible is being unapologetically yourself. Embrace who you are, flaws and all. When you're authentic, you attract women who are genuinely interested in you, not some version of you that you think they want. 9. Putting it all together. So, what does this look like in real life? Imagine this. You approach a woman with confidence, engage her in meaningful conversation, make her laugh, and leave her feeling curious about you. You're not just someone she notices, you're someone she desires. Remember, it's not about trying to make her want you. It's about being the kind of man who naturally inspires attraction by the way you live, act, and connect. There you have it. The keys to sparking sexual desire in a woman. Confidence, emotional connection, physical presence, mystery, and authenticity. Master these, and you'll transform the way women see you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Buddhist Karma Talks. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which of these traits do you think is the most important? Let's start a conversation.